That's better. There's a lot more room in here to work. I'm sure that's burnt. Yeah, I think that fuse is broken. It's black down one of the ends. Okay folks, well, today's plan is to get the tank off and check the fuel system just in case there's a blockage like dirt in a carb jet. Let's find out. Okay, I'm going to check the petrol tap first. Oh, that's working well. And the petrol's clear, so that's a good sign. I'm going to try it on prime. Perfect. Well, that's working how it should. So there's no problems here whatsoever. So the next job is to clean all the spark plugs. It's just brake cleaner. Okay folks, I've managed to get hold of some spare fuses. All the originals are too high in amps. There's two 20s, 125, and the broken one is 35, when there should be three 10s and one 15. So I need to locate where the 15 amp goes and swap them around a little. That looks a little suspicious. I'm not sure if this browning is because the wire's burnt or if it's old age. That should be white. If in doubt, clean it up. It's just the electrical cleaner I'm using. Okay, so the 15 amp goes at the bottom and these three are 10s. So folks, I've got straight through petrol and I'll try starting the engine again. It will either work or it won't. Fingers crossed. Unit. No, lights are still working. Yeah. Something's still a mess. When I rev it, it's draining. Something's draining the revs. God. Now I'm starting to think that's electrical because it revs on the choke. Just won't rev at the handlebars. Well folks, I've just found something rather interesting. This coil is cold and this coil is burning hot. And if you look at the wiring, it's slightly burnt on either side of this connector. Okay folks, that's great progress because of this overheating coil. It confirms the problem is 100% electrical and I don't feel that I need to touch the carbs for now. So I've been studying my wiring diagram again and I have a theory. The igniter unit's been damaged. So looking back, the problem was there before with the old coils. So unless these are faulty, it's probably not these coils causing this because these are new. It's the cold coil that has the burning on the white wire. So it's pointing to the next electrical part in line, which is the igniter unit. This is the other end of the white wire and that's brown. So the evidence is pointing to the igniter unit being broken. It's sometimes called a black box or CDI, and if it isn't working it could potentially cause these symptoms. It's like the brains of a bike. Now it's possible it might have started failing when I first ran the bike, so at this stage I think the next thing to do is to source a replacement and try again. So I'll leave it at that for today folks. I'm happy with the progress. It's going to cost more, but needs must. I'm determined to see this bike run as it should, and it's worth it. And until the next one, thanks for watching.